The Appellate Division, First Department, is now in session. Good morning. Welcome to the I'm sorry, no one heard me. The Appellate Division, First Department, is now in session. Good morning. Welcome to the Appellate Division's virtual admissions ceremony. My button didn't quite work the first time. Ms. Guerrero, would you please proceed?
Good afternoon, and may it please the court. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored to present 32 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you very much, Ms. Guerrero. And yes, it is afternoon. And in advance of today's ceremony, my colleagues and I have considered this very important motion to admit these candidates to the bar, and they've authorized me to grant the motion. The motion is granted.
Thank you.
As always, Ms. Guerrero, I ask that you please extend the sincerest thanks of the court to the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness for continuing to make great efforts, particularly under these still extraordinary circumstances, to ensure that each of the candidates before us does indeed meet the important requirements for admission to the bar of the state of New York. These committee members work pro bono without compensation, and my colleagues and I truly appreciate their service in helping to keep the admissions process running smoothly under these circumstances. So thank you, and please extend our thanks. The clerk of the court, Susana Rojas, will now administer the oath of office.
Good afternoon, Justice Renwick. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to please unmute your microphones and respond by saying, I do. At this point, I ask every one of you to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your microphones and respond by saying, I do.
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 Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphones. Thank you.
Many smiling faces, as there should be. Congratulations to you all. On occasions as auspicious as these, one of the justices addresses you new attorneys, and today the pleasure falls to my esteemed colleague, the Honorable Ellen Gessmer.
Thank you, Justice Renwick. I hope all of you noticed that Ms. Rojas addressed you as attorneys when she asked you to sit down. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? On behalf of the court, please accept my warmest congratulations, both to you and also to your loved ones, the family and friends who have supported you through this arduous process. You are being admitted to the bar in a still very strange and uncertain time in our history. I'm very sorry that as a result of the pandemic, we are not able to hold this ceremony in our majestic courtroom. Perhaps you can get some idea of its beauty from the photograph, which we are each using as a virtual backdrop. I hope that you and those close to you will come by our building sometime when things become more normal to see this historic building and to watch us during argument. As I thought about welcoming you to the bar at this time, it struck me that crises like these often make clear both what is required to be an outstanding lawyer and what makes our profession great. Turning to the first, all lawyers, all the time, have to know the law. But today, more than ever, the best lawyers have to be both willing and able to learn new areas of law and to master new skills. In 2021, a lawyer who cannot Zoom will not serve his or her clients well. In speaking of skills, all lawyers, all the time, have to think logically, read critically, write with clarity, listen with empathy, and speak persuasively. But of equal importance in this difficult time, a lawyer must be flexible. Today, the successful lawyer is the one who can set up a workspace in a corner of the kitchen and concentrate at 100% with children and pets underfoot. But in addition to requiring new skills, the vast social effects of the pandemic demonstrate more clearly than ever that our profession has a duty to assist those who cannot afford counsel, and lawyers have risen to the challenge. Notably, the state bar and the court system have both launched massive programs to assist individuals who face legal needs related to the coronavirus pandemic and its effects on the economy. The ABA created a portal to connect volunteer lawyers to individuals who need assistance. So if you have not yet been able to find a job, and even if you have, there are many opportunities for using your new legal skills for the public good. And that will enhance you professionally as well, because a truly great lawyer acts with moral purpose and a commitment to justice. You have entered a powerful and noble profession. I hope that you find a way to practice it that provides you with intellectual challenge and joy while advancing the creation of a just and equal society. With that, congratulations again and best wishes as you begin this boundless journey.
Thank you, Justice Gesmer. Congratulations, everyone. This admission ceremony is now concluded. Court is adjourned. Have a great day.
Thank you to all the justices and Ms. Rojas. They will log off, and all of the new attorneys will stay on with me.